In today's video, I will go over 11 plush stuffed animals that I sold within the last month or two on eBay, Facebook, Poshmark, Mercari, and Amazon. I paid anywhere from 25 cents each up to $8 for these stuffed toys. Now let's get started. My name is Xandra, also known as Piece of Scrap. I'm a reseller on eBay, Poshmark, Facebook, Mercari, and Amazon. And what that means is I buy items low at garage sales and thrift stores and flip the items online. I've been a reseller on eBay for over 20 years. However, I do make great sales on Poshmark, Mercari, and Facebook. And now let's see some of the plush I've sold on those sites. Okay, so we'll start over on eBay. I sold this Disney Cincy Buddy. It's Simba from The Lion King. I picked it up at a local thrift store for $8. It is new in the box and it does come with a scent pack. So I listed it high on eBay for $62.99. Within 2 weeks of listing, I received an offer of $40 plus $12 shipping, which I quickly accepted. My profit on this Disney Cincy Buddy from The Lion King is $27.92. The next item on eBay is an owl. I picked it up at a thrift store for 50 cents. It was new with tags. This is a new to me brand, this Mason Chick. However, at this thrift store that day, they had several of these new with tags for just 50 cents each. This owl sold for $19.88 plus $6 shipping. Looking at the keywords up here, you see where I added pastel, stuffed toy animal. It's an owl, it's colorful, and it could be for a baby girl, as it is pink in color. My profit on this stuffed animal was $17.87. Again, when I can pick up plush toys that are low in cost, say 50 cents to $1, that are new with tags, I usually will pick them up as I know I can sell them. This next set was a fun one. It was a lot of 3 Kohl's Cares for Kids plush stuffed animals. I listed them as a lot together at $36.99. The buyer sent me an offer of $25.92 plus $12 shipping. So they were over $36 all in on these stuffed animals. As you can see here, Woodstock has a bit of discoloration on him, which I did disclose in the listing. Each of these have the price tag that I paid for them at Goodwill. This one was $2. And Charlie Brown was also $2. They did give me Woodstock for $1. So my cost for all 3 of these was $5. Like I said, the buyer was $36 all in. So my profit on the 3 of these stuffed plush animals, $15.92. The buyer did send me a message stating that she wanted these to complete her Christmas tree in a Charlie Brown theme. I did do a video on how to create your own Peanuts Charlie Brown Christmas tree, and I will link that here. The next item to sell on eBay was a new without tag SpongeBob SquarePants Patrick stuffed toy. I paid 25 cents for him at my local Goodwill. He took over 3 months to sell, but he finally did sell for $14.85 plus $7 shipping. So my profit on Patrick was $14.26. Next up is a new with tag rolling bag backpack. This is the brand name. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. It has a stuffed lion plush animal on the outside. I picked this up at a local thrift store for $3. It sold for my full price on promotion of $28.25 plus $12 shipping. So the buyer was over $40 all in. My profit on this item, $24.01. It may be a stretch including this in my plush video, but he does have an adorable stuffed plush lion on the outside of this rolling backpack. Next, we'll jump over to Mercari, where I sold a Mary Meyer cow stuffed plush animal. I picked this up for 50 cents at a local thrift store. Again, new with tags, 50 cents. I will pick them up every time usually. This one sold for my full price on Mercari of $29. The buyer did pay shipping, so my profit on this spotted cow, $24.46. So do keep your eyes open for this Mary Meyer brand. As you can see, it sold for nearly $30. And I do believe these are somewhat hard to find. I did add all of the keywords. I added farm, plaid, country, and farmhouse, which probably helped with the sale. Next up, we'll move over to Facebook, where I sold the Grinch from Aurora. I paid 25 cents for this at Goodwill. The buyer sent me an offer of $16 plus shipping. So my profit on this Grinch stuffed plush animal was $14.89. If you don't know, Facebook selling fees are lower than any other platform, where I only paid 86 cents in selling fees on this $16 sale. How y'all doing? Do you like this type of content? I love selling plush stuffed animals across all platforms. If you love it too, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, which tells me you like this type of video. And while you're at it, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next one. You can also follow me on Instagram at piece.of.scrap. I post a lot of my what sold items on Instagram, and I do communicate with fellow resellers over there. So go ahead and check it out. I will have a link to my Instagram account in the description below. Next, we'll move over to Poshmark, where I sold this Star Wars Baby Yoda. He could be used as a pillow or a plush stuffed animal. I paid 50 cents for this at Goodwill. He was listed for a couple months, and he sold for my full price on Poshmark of $18. The buyer did pay shipping, so my profit on Baby Yoda, $13.90. Next up is Garfield, the Tooth Fairy plush animal holding a tooth pillow. I paid 25 cents for this. It sold for my full price on Facebook of $23. So my profit after the fees and cost of goods sold, $18.15. I thought this would sell for a little bit more money, as it is a vintage plush from 1978. But it was listed for over 9 months, and I was happy to see it go for $23. The next item that sold on Poshmark was a Disney Zootopia. This was new with tags. I paid 25 cents for this at Goodwill. It sold for $12 on Poshmark. I've had it listed for about 9 months. So my profit on this Disney plush new with tags, $7.30. I had one plush sale over on Amazon. It's the Hallmark Very Merry Trio Singing Snowmen. I've had this in my closet for over 1 year. I finally got it out and listed it. I believe I paid $2 for it late last year. This is what it looks like, and these penguins sing and dance when you hit the button, and I did create a video so you could actually see it in action. It sold for $39.11 over on Amazon. The buyer did pay shipping of $4.99. However, my actual ship charge was $16.69, so I did lose a little bit of money on the shipping charge. However, my profit, when it was all said and done, was close to $20 at $19.80. Keep your eye out for these Hallmark collectible singing plush animals. This is the second one that I have sold. and some of them are more valuable than others. I just shared with you 11 plush stuffed animals that I sold within the last 2 months. As soon as I finished this video, I sold 2 more plush stuffed animals. Make sure you subscribe to my channel to see those in my next plush sold video. I make money selling Goodwill items online, including plush stuffed animals, and you can too. Many of you that are watching have not yet subscribed to my channel, so do me a favor and click that subscribe button. And while you're at it, tap the notification bell to be notified when I release my next video. I will link another What Sold Plush video here. Continue watching.